G'day, today I am talking about things to consider when refinancing your home loan. Hi, I'm Phil Thompson. Thanks for joining me for Phil's Finance Fix. So the first thing you need to consider is, will the bank offer you the best interest rate possible? So no point doing all this research, going to refinance when the bank that you're currently with, who you got your home loan with, will just ring you up and say, well, we'll give you that same interest rate. So go back to them, threaten to leave and see what they'll do. Now, from my experience, often banks won't match the best interest rate possible, even if they're offering a better rate to new customers, no matter how long you've been with them. But if they do, fantastic, no more work needed. Second thing to think about is, how much equity do you have in your home? So what I mean by this is, if your loan is worth more than 80% of your home value, so for example, you've got a $500,000 home and your mortgage is $450,000, it's almost certainly not going to be better to refinance your home loan, because you're going to have to pay what's called lender's mortgage insurance. So that's a massive insurance premium at the start of the home loan that protects the bank. Does nothing for you as a consumer, but it protects the bank should you default on the loan. So almost certainly refinancing to a home loan and paying lender's mortgage insurance is not going to be worthwhile. The third thing to think about is, are your finances currently in order? If you're maxing out credit cards and paying overdue fees left, right and center, it's probably not a great time to look at refinancing your home loan. You may still get accepted for a refinance, but it is so much better and stronger position to go to a bank and with all your finances in order. So if you're thinking about it, and over the next 6 months, just make sure you're paying down your credit cards. You make sure you're not paying any late payment fees and you're paying everything on time. And then you can think about refinancing. And the fourth thing is, just think ahead. Is there any other reason you want to think of refinancing? So chasing a better interest rate is a good idea because you can still save thousands of dollars, but think ahead in the next 12, 24 months. Is there any reason you might want to access additional funds? So things like, do you want to look at upgrading a car? Or are you looking at maybe an investment property in the next few years? Because you may want to consider that when you're looking at refinancing now. Refinancing your home loan may not be the best option for you. So things you might want to consider are fees. If you've got a fixed home loan, there may be some fees in breaking that fixed home loan. Also, refinancing, there may be an application fee for the new home loan. There's certainly going to be a discharge fee when you're moving from your home loan to the new home loan. Some banks charge around $350 up to $600 and even more, depending on your current bank. So there's plenty of things to consider. And are you thinking about selling your house in the next few years? So if you're thinking about selling or upgrading or downgrading in 2 years, then refinancing may not be the best option for you. And really the last thing to think about is the kind of unseen cost of extending your home loan. So when you refinance, if you've had your home loan for 5 years now and you refinance for another 30-year loan term, you're effectively extending your overall loan term by 35 years, unless you're paying off the home loan sooner. So ways around this is, when you're refinancing, you can refinance and set the terms at whatever term you're comfortable with. So if you want to keep it set 30 years from when you first started your home loan, your new home loan that you're refinancing to, you can set that as a 25-year term loan. I hope this video has been really helpful for you in understanding things to consider when refinancing your home loan. If you do have any questions about the refinancing process, if something's worthwhile or not worthwhile, more than happy to help you out. Either send me an email or pick up the phone and give me a call. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you next time. This is my first one in quite a while. Oh yeah. Something there.